What's up, iPhone Lifestyle Squad? By the end of this video, I'm going to show you how I booked a shoot with Atlantic Records on their website by taking pictures and submitting them all on my iPhone. Yeah, all on my iPhone. Yeah. I've been getting a lot of messages from ladies asking how do they get into modeling. They don't have a portfolio, they don't know how to go about it. I'm going to show you exactly how I booked this shoot by taking pictures on my iPhone. Stay tuned. Right before we jump into this video, I'm going to need you to click that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you know whenever my videos drop every Wednesday. Also, make sure you stay to the end of this video so that I can show you how you can access and download your free mobile app must-have cheat sheet. This is the exact cheat sheet that I share with my client 8-week iPhone YouTube Academy, where I show them how to launch their entire business all on their iPhone by using the power of photo and video on YouTube. So stay tuned. So the very first thing that you want to make sure of is that you are shooting your digitals, aka Polaroids, in natural lighting. You want to make sure that you open all of those windows and take your pictures with a complete white wall. And then yes, I just washed my hair. The shrinkage is real. I know I look a little cray-cray, but it's okay. It's okay. And you can take this with a digital camera, your iPhone, your Android, or even your smartphone. You can have a friend help you, or even a family member, or you can even prop your tripod up and put it on timer. You want to make sure that you wear your hair in its natural state. The agency or casting or whatever job you're trying to book, they want to see you in your natural element. If you want to wear extensions, that's fine, but they may ask you to take it out. So I say play it safe, but the choice is yours. You don't want to have any distracting pieces on your body so that the agency can see you. So make sure you take off any neck pieces, watches, and earrings. Now, as for what to wear, I used to wear just like basic all black, but I learned that the agency wants to see your personality. It's okay to wear solid colors. I highly suggest wearing solid colors, nothing with any distracting prints. Again, you just want them to focus on you. You can even wear a cute leather skirt. You can do a high-waisted jean short with a really intricate top like this one, and of course, I'm acting a little cry. But yes, you just want to make sure that you wear something with solid colors but show your personality. I highly recommend wearing a black or nude bra when you do take these digitals. Again, you don't want anything distracting, and especially with shoes. The agency or casting that you're booking, they don't really like when females kind of exaggerate their height and wear pumps. You want to make sure that you wear flat booties or regular shoes, nothing that's like 5 inches or 6 inches. That's a little too much. And for nails and toes, you want to make sure you have neutral colors, which is pink, a light natural pink, clear, or nude. And when you're posing, you want to make sure that you do the side profile, front profile. Sometimes they ask for a back profile as well as a 3/4 shot. This is side, 3/4, and front. And you just be you. Sometimes they ask you to wear a bra or bikini because they want to see your physique. And just do your thing, honey. So after you've done this, you can go to your local pharmacy, Dwayne Reed, Walgreens, Rite Aid, CVS, even Walmart or Target. Anywhere that you can print out your pictures from your phone or your SD card, you can just go there and make sure that you print your digitals out in 5x7. 5x7s. This is what you are going to bring to the agencies, and you can also submit this to agencies. I tell a lot of my clients who are looking to get into modeling that agencies and castings, they don't want to see what you look like with makeup and with a poppin' outfit. They want to see you for you. So make sure that you print these and start submitting. So when you have your friend taking your pictures with their iPhone, you want to make sure that you are facing the window. Now, I always talk about this in my videos. I teach my clients this in my 8-week iPhone YouTube Academy when they're shooting their first videos on their iPhone. You always want to make sure that you are facing the window. Now, when your friend or family member is taking your picture, you want to make sure that you do it straight forward like this, full body. You're going to do it 3/4, looking this way, and then you're going to do a side profile. You're gonna do the same thing on the other side, full body. You're gonna do the same exact poses again, frontwards, 3/4 and to the side, from the waist up. And then you're gonna repeat the same exact process, just doing from the shoulders up. I highly recommend doing this both with something basic with solid colors, and then I highly recommend doing this again with a bikini, because the agency really wants to see your shape and get an idea of, you know, your figure, and just to see you as just a blank canvas. So make sure you keep that in mind, ladies. I know y'all popping, but you gotta look basic for the agency for you to get signed. Just keep that in mind if that helps. If you feel like you look a little too poppin', then you're doing something wrong, take them earrings off, no earrings, not even studs, natural hair, whatever your natural hair state is in, because they may ask you to take out your extensions if you have that, or if you have braids. You really just want to go just looking like you, honey, okay? Because we're going to get you signed today, okay? Give you my free mobile app must-have cheat sheet on the exact mobile apps that I've used, as well as I teach my clients on how to create bomb content, shoot HQ videos, and edit your HQ videos all on your iPhone.